In the name of Allah, today I want to show you in this video how to Word to PDF convert step-by-step learning. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. All is right, let's jump on the PC.
Let's say you have a Word document. And I want to convert a Word to PDF. First open Microsoft Word document. Then go to File menu. And here click on the Save As command. And here click on Browser. And here choose as path for Save PDF file. Here types your PDF name. Then select here the PDF format. Now click on Save. As you can see, we have get the Word to PDF converter. Now if you open it, you can see that the Word has been converted into PDF. This is how to Word to PDF converter. It's a very easy way. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.